Installed RAM 20 GB, 16 GB usable. I have Windows 7 Home Premium, 64-bit, OS installed. My motherboard is able to handle up to 32 and NBSB, GB of RAM. I recently upgraded my computer to 20 and NBSB, GB of RAM, but the computer says installed RAM is 20 and NBSB, GB, 16 and NBSB, GB usable. I have 4 slots on the MB, and I installed 2 8 and NBSB, GB RAM closest to the CPU and 2 and NBSB, GB RAM on the remaining slots. I made sure the RAM are the same, DDR3 1600 and NBSB, MHz. What am I doing wrong? Why am I seeing this issue in my computer's control panel home? Just in case it matters, I also installed GTX 770 Q2 and NBSB, GB memory. Here is the specification on my motherboard, this URL.
Windows 7 Home Premium supports up to 16 GB of RAM. That is why only a certain amount is showing as usable. Your computer supports the extra RAM and does detect it. It's a licensing issue in Windows that makes it only use 16 GB at a time. Source: Memory limits for Windows and Windows Server releases. Physical memory limits, Windows 7.